Here in this video, I am going to show you the perfect beginner strategy for traders in 2025, all right? And I'm going to give you an extra special treat, y'all, for being here and being amazing. You're going to actually be able to get a sneak peek into the Boss Up Academy and see the trade that I actually took with my community and how we were able to maximize this awesome move. And then further on in this video, I'm going to actually take you to the chart and walk you step by step through my thought process and why I saw the setup favorably and why I took this trade. So make sure you stick all the way through because you know your girl's a teacher and I like to teach you in these videos, okay? But before we go there, could you do me a quick favor and give me a thumbs up and help this video get to 1,000 likes? Y'all already know how YouTube does. And if you have not yet subscribed, you already know you're gonna like it here. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, okay? And if you want to know more about the Academy and how to join, you know where it's at. Check out the description box below, okay? I want to share a quick message, and I am so grateful for this and all of my BU members, but this is why I got into teaching, right? This is really physical representation of why I got into teaching. So I'm gonna read this message really quickly from one of the Boss Up Academy members, okay? Hey everyone, I just joined February 16th and finished premium training and is halfway through the options training accelerated course. And I tell you, I was literally glued to the training to the extent of creating a binder, snapshot keys, points to help my learning. I have checked out other people's trainings just before I joined Boss Up Academy and gauged what was out there. I am so glad to be a part of this awesome trading community that it is by far the best I've heard. Me and my wife is convinced that Coach T teaches with passion and encouragement through the process. Thank you, Coach T and Big Mike, for your practical teaching and not holding anything back. Messages like this keeps me happy and keeps me going. So thank you so much. So without further ado, come on into the Academy and see what we're doing. So if I look confused, you. Okay, below 514.55 or 514 or 513 calls. Puts. What is going on this morning? I didn't drink coffee. 514 for 514 puts or 513 puts for Qs.
Small size first.
Q. Yeah, that's what I said. You got it, JT. I'm gonna get it together, y'all, this morning.
You need a coffee.
Yeah, that's what Z put in here. I tried Erica. Sorry, Erica said I need coffee. Look, I'm seeing things. I tried Celsius this morning. It's not working. It's not a thing. I don't like it. Horizon looks good. No entry yet. Somebody said something. Dell? Okay. Pamela, you have yours loaded because you be seeing them. If this stays contained, it's kind of tight. But yeah, the next candle below 113.91. I know it's not working for me right now. I need to stick with my Nespresso. Look at how it's playing at this low level. Spy. I feel like they cracked this level. Other things will be able to be free too. Be free. It needs to crack that level, bro.
Come on, crack the low today. Come on, Q. Start my little day off green. Come on.
If SoFi can move below that 1450, we'd be interested.
Anybody take the AAL and then listen to me? Good job.
AL, bro.
Yeah, see how far I get, bro. Come on, Q.
Yeah, it broke.
Q. 10% on QQQ. Let's go. Give it another push.
Yeah,
Q.
good. Okay. The levels on AAL. Dell is good too, Pam.
Come on, Q.
AAL next level is 1426, then 1420.
Let's take a little bit off of QQQ at 10% too.
Okay. Ain't no good. You got it. You were right, Gavin.
If I could hold under the pre-market low and push, then QQQ gonna get our price target,
Okay. Amazon not letting us to the party, Mimi. Just patiently waiting.
Let's go. Push, Q. There you go. Push, Q.
I know.
Push.
Yeah, it looked good. It had an entry but it went quick.
Push, Q.
All right, AAL people. Congrats on that move.
Y'all be mad at me if you ain't take it because of me.
Pam, did you catch Dell too? It's okay. It's harder to get to. Yes, Micron looks good.
Let's go, Q.
Whoever wants Micron.
Say,
all right.
go, baby. Congrats, whoever took QQQs.
No. It's not a good entry on Qs now. No. No, the entry for Qs Ego would have been here.
Way up there.
At this level, 1416. Oh, good job, Kevin. You making money in Dubai?
Oh, Lord. Stunting.
Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Clutching my
Put
pearl.
QQQ, y'all. It's still going. Let's go, baby.
All right, my Q friend. Oh, my God. Oh, my.
Yo, 50%. Let's go. I might be
Okay, JT.
I might be done for the day, baby. Please. That's how you do it, baby.
Yo, take some off if you have not done yet.
This is how y'all do it, baby. Awesome.
And Marlise, I know you like cues. Look at cues. Spy's finally moving. Let's see if Spy's gonna give us an entry point. Hey, a level coming, 1147 if you haven't taken any yet. Ooh, it's still pushing. Keep holding. We can hold to 510.73. You got cues, Mimi?
Let's go.
Good job. Congrats. 70%.
Glowing, baby.
Gosh.
Baby, we caught that.
That's bomb. That's so cool.
I love this.
What you said, AMD?
AMD?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you got it, Mike. It's okay. You gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. For the first 30 minutes, I am on the 2-minute time frame here. Okay, guys? And we are currently on QQQ, like I said. And I want to point out some of the indicators that are on my screen right now that I'm using for Confluent. Okay, one of them is going to be the pivot point standard, which is these orange lines here. So if you want to get that indicator, all you got to do on your trading view, you go ahead and you search pivot point standards and you add that to your charts and it will pop up. All pivot points are just critical levels, and I'm watching those. Okay, the second thing I want to point out is these yellow lines. Every morning I draw my hourly levels, and I drop them in the community, right? And my hourly levels are what I use to take profit. So I have targets. Those are targets, right, for price to go to. All right, so I'm going to play the price action for you to see what happened and why I saw this trade as a favorable trade to get into. All right, so right here I see that it is breaking, or it's touching the 200, and it broke below the 200. Great sign. But what I also like that it did, it broke yesterday's high, which is this green line here, which is the ORB. So I really liked that also. Okay, so at this point I do not have an entry, but I am liking the move for a down play, a put play, right? So I'm looking for my entry point. Trend is here, looking very nice. So we are continuing on, and I'm going to show you nice move to the downside. Other people would have probably entered in right here, right? But we're not. We're sitting pretty. I love the calm that we have in the community and how we trade. We don't just jump in any old way. We know where we're going to get in. I'm going to show it to you when it comes up. All right, so it broke below pivot, and it broke this red line here too, guys, is the ORB of yesterday, which is yesterday's low. So it's another sign of confluence that I'm like, yo, this is looking really, really nice. Okay, so we're here, we're sitting pretty, and I see something, y'all. I see this candle here, the 946 candle, and that is what I am looking for, right? We need a pullback. The charts move in a series of impulse moves, right? Impulse moves down, pullback, and then impulse moves in the direction of down. So I like the pullback. Think of it as a rubber band. Okay, so I am looking for my entry point, and boom, I got what I wanted, right? I got what I wanted. I saw the break below that 946 candle, so I use this as my entry candle. Okay, so below 514.5 is where I would be entering, and my stop loss is at the top of here of this candle, which is at 515.47. If y'all have been watching my videos and y'all are part of the Boss Up family, y'all understand and know we don't get into trades unless we know how to get out, right? You remember, if you going out, you need your safe exit, and we are going to secure ourselves and know our stop loss. So that is the stop loss. So I am into this trade here to the downside here, and we are moving along in this trade. Okay, so we're looking for this trade to go down to the profit target, which is at 511.46. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's going on in the trade here. Nice move to the downside. Awesome move. A lot of us were able to catch this, and it was a beautiful, beautiful move. So as you can see here, guys, I like to go ahead and say to get paid for the work that I've done thus far, right? So as this profit target here, some people use zones. I use specific levels, but it's totally up to you. At this level here at 510.73, we took off profit, right? 50% or whatever percentage you want to take off. I would suggest take off majority of it and make sure you still have some runners in the game to maximize the play, right? Nothing hurts more than you take all your money and the play still continues for another 50, 60, 100% and you're not in it, right? So take the majority of your money, secure your profit for the work you've done thus far, and then you still have runners to see and maximize the move going forward, okay? All right, don't forget who told you that. All right, y'all. So this move continued down and was an awesome move. And you'll see that it went in our favor, never touched our stop loss, just continued to go in our favor. Okay. So the next profit target was here, 506.91, and was able to go ahead and take another set of profit here, which was a beautiful move. And it never touched our stop loss, never gave us a reason to get out. Beautiful move down to the downside. And you got to see how the trade was able to work in our favor. And the strategy was extremely simple to follow, guys. All right, y'all. So I hope you got some really good value from this video. And if you did, make sure you comment down below. And if there's any specific question you have in regards to options trading, make sure you also drop that in the comment box. I love responding to y'all. I love hearing what y'all thoughts are. And if you have not done so yet and you're already here, make sure you smash that like button so you can help this video get to 1,000 likes. And if you have not subscribed, come on now, you already here. You want to be a part of the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, guys. I love making videos like this. So make sure you let me know down below so I can keep making videos like this. All right, guys. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you soon.